So guys, hapa tuko maeneo downtown. Tutaenda tunatembea, tunaangalia wazungu, tunaambia kwanza watusaidie kusema Kiswahili. Naona mzungu mmoja hapa sijui kama atakubali. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I ask you a question real quick? How many languages you speak?
Just one.
Just one?
Just one, yeah.
Can you try a different language?
Sure.
Say jina langu ni What is your name?
Colt.
Colt, yeah. So say jina langu ni Colt.
Jinan Lawik Colt?
Jina langu ni Colt.
Jinalan Lawik Colt?
No, like jina langu.
Jinalangu.
Yeah, jina langu ni Colt.
Jinalangu Colt.
Yeah, right. You got that right, man. Yeah, good. So what's another language that you've been trying to learn? Like, what's a different language that you really like?
I mean, I did Spanish in high school, but that was about it.
What about French though?
I've never
Never?
had a...
Not even how to say hi?
No.
That's bonjour.
Bonjour?
Yeah, bonjour. Oh, you're really good at that. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for your time, man.
Yeah,
I like that. I was just trying to see how many languages you speak and if you can learn a different language. Alright. Yeah, watazamaji, huyu hapa alikuwa ni mzungu wa kwanza, amefanya vizuri Kiswahili. Tena tafuta mzungu mwingine. So hapa tunaona mzungu mwingine, tutakia tumoje na kidogo. Excuse me. Can I talk to you real quick? Can I talk to you real quick? You good being on camera? No, yeah. Sasa tunamwona mzee mwingine hapa ametulia. Tutaenda kumuuliza naye maswali kidogo. Then. Hey sir. You good? You good being on camera? I'm trying to talk to you real quick. You good being on camera? You good being on camera?
Camera, yeah.
Yeah. So like what's your name is?
Bobby Gallegos.
Gallegos?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Boise.
Boise?
Yeah.
How many languages you speak?
Oh, two.
Two? English and
Spanish.
English and Spanish. Hola.
Ah.
How you say hi in Spanish?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, ¿cómo está?
Oh, yeah, right. So, I was trying to see if you can learn a different language. This is my language, and I'll teach you to say something and see if you can say it.
What's your language?
My language is Swahili.
Soybe?
Yeah, Swahili.
Soybe, yeah. There's a lot of different languages in Africa. Huh?
Yeah, a lot of different languages.
Yes.
Yeah, so can you try to say Lobaka Luambondo?
Lobaka Ramondo.
Yeah, Lobaka Luambondo.
Lobaka Ramondo.
Yeah, Lobaka Luambondo.
Rambondo.
Yeah, Rambondo, right. Yeah, you got that right. Thanks for your time, man. Alright. So shuhudia, tunaenda kutafuta mwingine mzungu tuone kama naye ataweza. Tunaenda bado tunazunguka maeneo downtown kutafuta watu pale. Captain Young Boys ule. Hey, Captain. Captain. Taona no Mosena. Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you quick? Can I talk to you quick? No, like we're trying to make a video. Is you good being on camera? We're trying to make a video. You good at being on camera? No? Alright, cool. So, Captain, hapa tuko downtown, tukaenda tunaambia wazungu, tuone kama wazungu wanaweza kuspeak Kibembe, unaonaje?
Hiyo ni idea nzuri yani.
Yeah. Na swali letu kwa wazungu ni kwamba wajaribu kusema Lubaka Lwambondo.
So, walikwambiaje?
Mtaona. Yeah, hapa tunaangalia kama kuna mzungu mwingine hapa. Twende kubale mama wako pale.
Kuko mama Kibembe.
Ya bazungu bako hapa. Twende huko. Nasikia hivyo. Ya tunaenda hapa, kuna wazungu wengine hapa, tunaenda na tuangalie kama anaweza. Ashatuona mama anaanza kuogopa. Anatuona anaanza kuogopa. Huh? Yeah, you're going to be famous too.
Oh, yeah, right.
All right.
Hang on, I better get permission from my boss.
All right, cool. Yeah, anaenda kuomba ruhusa au mama. Anasikia aibu. Atasema Lubaka Lwambondo. She's going to be quick.
I'm just going to cover this, just in case.
Yeah, it's cool.
Just
So,
in case you do something wrong.
all
Okay,
right.
get over here so you don't get hit by a car. Go.
All right. So, what's your name is?
Leslie.
Leslie?
hmm
So, Leslie, where you from?
I'm from originally, like, where was I born?
Yeah.
California.
California. How many languages you speak?
Kind of two.
Kind of two. English and
Spanish, español.
English and Spanish.
Chiquito.
I speak Spanish. No, I don't actually.
What are you speaking?
I speak English and Swahili. So
Swahili. I don't know any Swahili.
yeah, so what we're trying to do basically is to see if you can speak a different language, usually Swahili.
Okay, give me a word.
Alright. Try to say Lobaka Lwambondo.
La Vaca Ramondo.
Lobaka Lwambondo.
No, because I
No,
think
no.
it must be a
No, no.
bad word.
Okay, that's not a bad word. That's like it's a community of
Okay.
like the Africans
Say it
that live it. Lobaka Lwambondo.
La Racabambolo.
Yeah, right. You got that one right.
Okay.
So can you try to say my name is in Swahili?
My name is Swahili.
No, say in Swahili like jina langu ni.
Jilolongami Leslie.
Yeah, right. You're good at it. You see, I knew it.
Okay.
Alright, thanks for your time, man. Alright, so mzungu wa kwanza shaenda ronga biju huyo mzungu. Tafuta mwingine. Na mwanaume wa baba hapa jamaa fulani. Excuse me, sir. You good being on camera? No? Alright. Anakataa wewe hataki kwa kamera aje.